Restore the sound quality of your audio system. GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory speaker. Offering the quality, reliability and durability of GM-OE. Manufactured to GM-OE specification for fit, form and function. Music will sound its best with AC Delco GM original equipment car speakers, and are GM recommended replacements for your vehicle's original components. Speakers turn electrical energy into mechanical energy to move air, using a permanent magnet and an electromagnet. The electromagnet is energized when the radio or amplifier, if equipped, delivers current to the voice coil on the speaker. The voice coil will form a north and south pole that will cause the voice coil and the speaker cone to move in relation to the permanent magnet. The current delivered to the car speaker is rapidly changing alternating current, AC. This causes the speaker cone to move in two directions, producing sound. These original equipment car speakers have been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. They all fit well in the truck and were pretty easy to install. I am writing this review for my husband and relaying his opinion on these speakers. First of all, they arrived on time and undamaged. That was very important to my husband as he cannot go without listening to his music while in his truck. He used these speakers to replace the speakers that went bad in his Chevy Silverado truck. They all fit well in the truck and were pretty easy to install. My husband is very happy with the sound quality of these speakers. They have no vibration to be heard at all. The sound is clear and the bass notes reverberate well. We will have to see after having these installed for a little while if they hold up, and will update this review then. My husband is a big fan of AC Delco products. He would recommend these speakers to anyone.